Hello and welcome to Debbie Loves Designing. Well, today I'm so excited. We're going to make another beautiful pair of earrings. I've made these, and what it is you put it together just with a chain and a ball. I'll show you, but anyway, with this beautiful earring, and I've made a different version of it, but pink. You can see the beautiful pink and purple, but the only difference with these two is that this hole is easier to thread through, but this one you can't thread it through the hole there. You have to put a link. But anyway, let me show you what you need. So first of all, you're going to need this trace. This is called like a trace chain, and or you just unwrap it and cut to the length that you want, silver or gold, whatever colour you want to use. Also, you're going to need some flush cutters to cut the chain, and you're going to need some flat nose pliers. You're going to need round nose pliers because it's round here and this is flat here. And also you're going to obviously need any of these, any pretty charm. It's not showing so good on here, but anyway, this one shows better. The glitter, well, not glitter, it's little stars inside, and I so love them. And also what you're going to need is two of these links. It opens up. So two of these links that you're going to need four, because if you're going to do two earrings. So for each earring you need two links which opens up, and obviously you're going to need the earring wire to put the earring inside. It's a quick, simple method that's easily made, but so glamorous. And so first of all, I've already cut the length that I want of the chain. So all you do is just kind of open up to the length that you like, and then you just chop, and that's it. So I've already chopped mine, chop, and I'm going to pick up the beautiful ball. You can see it properly, but it's got little stars. And then first of all, we're going to pick up our link, which is opened, and we're just going to thread it onto the hoop. See that? Hold on. I'm just going to bring it near me because I've just got to bring it near my face because I am quite short-sighted even with the glasses on. Right, so we've put it on there, and as I was saying before, with this one, I didn't even know, but with this one I just threaded it directly through. I didn't need a link, but this one's a smaller one, but that's no problem. So all you do is going to close the link by taking your flat nose pliers and your round nose pliers. So I'm just going to position it, okay, and then you're going to just close it by just bringing it together. So let's just bring it together, clamp each end, and then just clamp each end and just turn it together and close it. So let me just look at it near. Yeah, it's closed. Nice and closed. Just yeah, that looks lovely. It's nice and closed. Can look a bit, I think it could do with a little bit more closing. So that's it. So just bring it so it's nice and closed and secure. So the next thing we're going to do is pick up our little chain, and we're going to thread it through. So just take it and thread it through. So there we are, nice and threaded through. So it should look like this. It should look like this. So next what we're going to do is take up pick up the next link, make sure it's open, and when you open it sort of that way, across. Yeah, across, not open like that, because it makes it weaker. And then all we're going to do is thread the end of the loop. We're going to just thread it through, just hang it and let it thread through. So nice and secure like that. See? Nice and secure. So now that we've got it all secure, we're going to pick up our earring hook. Keep it open and pick up your earring hook, and all you're simply going to do is thread that on. Oh, I got it right the first time. So we're going to thread that on. So then we're going to pick up our flat nose pliers and we're going to close it. Clamp it and bring it together. Bring it together. So, what do you see? Voila. I'll just make sure that they're the same length. Nice and even. Yes, they are. So there it is. A pretty pair of earrings. I really love these gorgeous star ball things at the end. I think this one shows better. Yeah, but I really love them. I think they're so glamorous. So I'm going to put them onto my Etsy shop, and I am going to order some other colours as well. Other ball colours as well. I think they've only gold at the top, because I wouldn't mind if you can get one with silver here, so you can put silver here, and I can make them into nice little necklaces and things like that. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Let me know what colour would you use, what colour star balls or whatever you call them. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Please consider subscribing. I like to try to post every week, but there's sometimes when I just can't, but I like to try and post every week, preferably by Thursday. I like to make things and post, but I don't always get to. But please consider subscribing, and if you do, which I'll be very grateful for, if you do subscribe, please remember to click the notification bell so that YouTube lets you know that I've made yet another video. Please share to anyone that wants to make some earrings or any other jewellery that I make. And also please follow me on my Instagram. I'm on Twitter. I have a Facebook page. I'm on Pinterest as well. Put links below, and I have an Etsy shop. And I've got an Etsy shop for a couple of months now, which I love. I love making jewellery, and I also love to package it as well. I love all that. So let me know what colour ball would you use. I want to order some other colour ones. This is like a purple with like blue bits, and this one is like pink with kind of greens. I know you can't see that properly here, but I want to make pendants and all sorts of things. So thank you so much for watching, and please comment down below. Thank you.